Workplace Go enables companies to build a modern and customizable intranet, combining Microsoft Office 365 solutions to meet your communication, collaboration, and productivity needs. Using the responsive design, you can log into Workplace Go on your desktop PC, tablet, or smartphone to have one single view of all your different Microsoft applications and efficiently manage your daily work. Workplace Go comprises of 4 elements to meet your needs: Homepage, My Board, My Teams, My Company. A powerful search bar also helps you to search Workplace Go for contents, documents, emails, etc. in one place. The homepage functions as the living newsletter of the company, bringing together company news feeds, introductions of new employees, corporate event details, and a documents database. This is the My Board section, which focuses on personal efficiency. You can launch Workplace Go and immediately see all your emails, meetings, tasks, discussion threads, and documents in one place. This is your front page snapshot into your working day. We know that everyone has different teams and project groups, and so the My Teams section provides one centralized place for users to navigate and organize their individual projects. You can organize via projects for cross-functional collaboration on temporary assignments, teams for regular groups such as internal departments, and communities for the wider exchange of ideas. All teams, projects, and communities consist of a member list and contact details, to-do lists, status update feeds, and document and media libraries. The My Company section is a landing page for corporate updates and important notifications. This can be quick links to websites and internal applications, housing corporate documents such as FAQs and guidelines, and also announcements and events that should be seen by all employees. All of these elements are highly customizable, both in terms of content and interface, so you can have your logo, colors, and more embedded as you need.